Hello students, let's learn some new things in chapter exponents and powers. Expansion of a number. Here we will take one number, that is 47,561. We will expand this number. How? So we have to start from left hand side. We have to start from left hand side. First number is 4, so we have to start from 4. So here we will write 4 multiply by. Now we have to find at which place this 4 number is. So from right hand side we will go. This is ones place, this is tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So this 4 is a 10,000 place, so we will write it as number 4, it is 4 multiplied by 10,000. Similarly, then we will go to number 7. 7 is at 1000 place, so we will write it as, here we will put bracket so we can understand easily, 7 multiplied by 1000. Then plus in the bracket, then 5. 5 is at hundreds place, so 5 multiplied by 100 plus 6. 6 is at tens place, so 6 multiplied by 10 and plus 1. 1 is at ones place, so it is 1. That is equal to, now this 10,000 we can write in exponential form. It is nothing but 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4. Now how I have written this directly? So now you have to keep in mind, means if number is in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on, so you have to count the zeros after the 1. So here how many zeros are there? That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the base you have to write 10, and how many zeros are there? That many zeros you have to write in exponent in power place. Same way, plus 7 multiply by, how many zeros are there? 3, so it is 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 multiply by 2 zeros there, so it is 10 squared, and plus here 6 multiply by 10 only, and here now this you have to remember, 1 multiply by 10 raised to the power of 0. As we know that for any number if power is 0, answer is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we will get 1 only. So this is called expansion form, the expanded form of the number 47561. This way we have to expand the number which is given. Next, expressing large numbers in standard form. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, including this 1.0 multiplied by power of 10. Such a form of a number is called its standard form. So from this definition we learn that any number can be expressed in a standard form. And what is standard form? Standard form is a decimal number between 1.0 to 10.0, including 1.0, in multiplication of a power of 10. Let's see this from one example. Here 5,900 is there. Now we will convert this number into standard form. Now what is the definition? Definition tells that the decimal number between 1.0 to 10.0. That means before decimal point only one digit should be there. That means here after 5 or before 9 we have to put the decimal point. That means we will get this kind of form, that is 5.9. This form we have to make. We have to get this form from this number. This is between 1.0 and 10.0. So this form we have to make. So what we will do to make this number 5.9, what we have to do? We have to move the decimal point, that is from after 0, we have to move this decimal point to this point before 9. So we have to count the digits. How many digits we have to move? That is 1, 2 and 3. So to make this number 5900, that is 5900 to 5.9, we have to divide by, here 3 place we have to move, so we have to divide by 1 after 30, that is 1000. So whatever we are dividing, that we have to multiply in numerator, that is 1000. So what is the division of this thing? It is 5.9. After 0 we do not have to write, it is 5.9. So we got the 5.9, but here 1000 also there. So that is equal to, this we have learned in expansion form, that for 1000 we can write it as 10 raised to the power of, how many zeros are there? It is 3. So this is called a standard form of a number 5900. That is 5.9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3 or 10 cubed. Let's solve exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Write the following numbers in the expanded forms. Number 1, 279404. That is nothing but 2079. Sum number 1, 279404. This number we have to convert into expanded form. So we will start from left hand side, digit 1, that is 2. Now we will find at which place this digit 2 there. So we will start from 4 here, unit or ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So it is 2 multiplied by, after 1 it is 1 lakh, plus then 7, it is at 10,000 place, so we can write it as 7 multiplied by 10,000. Then plus this 9, it is 1000 place, so we can write it as 9 multiplied by 1000. Then plus this 4 is at 100 place, so we will write as 4 multiplied by 100, plus this 0 it at which place? Tens place, that is 10 we will write, and plus this 4 is at ones place, so we will write it as 4 multiplied by 1. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So base is 10 and exponent will be 5, that is 10 raised to the power of 5, plus here 7 multiplied by, for 10,000 what we can write, it is 10 raised to the power of, how many zeros are there? 4. So 10 raised to the power of 4, plus 9 multiplied by, 3 zeros are there, it is 10 raised to the power of 3, plus here 4 multiplied by, 2 zeros are there, so it is 10 raised to the power of 2, plus here 0 multiplied by 10, that is 10 raised to the power of 1 we can write, and plus 4 multiplied by, for 1 we can write it as 10 raised to the power of 0. So this is expanded form of the number 279404. Sum number 2, we have to convert this number 306194 into expanded form. So we will start here. So we will write first number from left hand side, it is 3 multiplied by, which place this 3? So we will start from here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10 lakhs. So we will multiply 3 with 10 lakh. Then plus 0. So 0 multiplied by, which place it is? It is at lakh. So we will multiply with 1 lakh. Then plus 0 is at 10,000 place. So 0 multiplied by 10,000. plus then 6. 6 multiplied by which place it is? It is at 1000 place. So 6 multiplied by 1000 plus 1 it at hundreds place. So 1 multiplied by 100 plus 9. 9 it is tens place. So 9 multiplied by 10 and plus 4 is at 1 place. That is 4 multiplied by 1. So that is equal to 3 multiplied by this 10 lakh we can write in exponential form. It is 10 raised to the power. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 10 raised to the power of 6 plus 0 multiplied by 5 zeros are there. 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 0 multiplied by 4 zeros are there. That is 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3 zeros are there. So 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 4 multiplied by as 1 we can write 10 raised to the power of 0. So this is our answer. Number 3, 2806196. That is equal to, we will start from 2 multiplied by place of 2 we will find from here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakhs. So 2 multiplied by 10 lakhs. Also you can do this way also. After 2 how many digits are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that much 0 will come after 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If decimal point is not there only. Plus 8 multiplied by 8 is at lakhs place. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Plus 0 is at 10,000 place. Plus 6, 8,000 place. Plus 1 is at 100 place, plus 9 is at tens place, and plus 6 at ones place. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by 6 zeros there, so 10 raised to the power of 6, plus 8 multiplied by 5 zeros there, so 10 raised to the power of 5, plus 0 multiplied by 4 zeros are there, so 10 raised to the power of 4, plus 6 multiplied by 3 zeros are there, 10 raised to the power of 3, plus 1 multiplied by 2 zeros, 10 raised to the power of 2, plus 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1, plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 0. Instead of 1 we will write 10 raised to the power of 0. This is our answer. Number 4, 120719. So that is equal to, start from 1. 1 is at 1, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. So it is 1 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 2. 2 is at 10,000 place, plus 0 is at 1000 place, plus 7 is at hundreds place, 100 place, then 1 is at tens place and 9 is at ones place. So 9 multiplied by 1. So that is equal to 1 multiplied by, as 1 lakh we can write in exponential term, it is 10 raised to the power of how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 raised to the power of 5. Plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4, plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3, plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 multiplied by 10, so that is 10 raised to the power of 1, plus 9 multiplied by, instead of 1 we can write 10 raised to the power of 0. This is our answer. Next, number 5, 20068. So we will start from 2. 2 is at which place? So it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So 2 multiplied by 10,000 plus then 0. 0 multiplied by 1000 plus 0. This is 100 place, that is 0 multiplied by 100 plus 6 8 tens place, so 6 multiplied by 10 and plus 8 is at ones place, that is 8 multiplied by 1. So in exponential term we can write it as 2 multiplied by 4 zeros, so 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 0 multiplied by 10 cubed plus 0 multiplied by 10 square plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0. Next question, question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded forms. So here expanded forms are given and we have to find the number. So some number A, 8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 0. So here we have to write, what we will write here, 8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4 means 10,000 plus, then for this term 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 means 1000 plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 means 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1, that is 10, plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0, that means 1. So here we will start. So this will be at 10,000 place 8, then after 10,000 1000 place, that is 6, then 100 place, here it is 0. So whatever is in multiplication with 10 exponential term of 10, that we have to write. So here this is at 10,000 place, 8 multiplied by 10,000 means 8 will be at 10,000 place, then 1000, then 100, then tens, that is here 4, then it is 5. So number is 86045, that is 86,045. We can write from reverse also, from ones place we can write also. Then first we will write 5, then tens place, then 100, then 1000 and then 10,000. Next, some number B, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 plus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0. Here in this sum we can see that some terms are missing. For an example, 10 raised to the power of 5, then 10 raised to the power of 4 term should become. Here it is not there. Here after 3, 2, and after 2 there should be 10 raised to the power 1 term should become, but here it is not there. That means what? That means we can write it as 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5 plus, here 10 raised to the power 4 term is not there, means it is 0. 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4 plus 5 multiplied by 10 cube plus 3 multiplied by 10 square plus also 10 raised to the power 1 term is not there. That means it is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0. So first of all we have to arrange these terms this way. Then only we can write this expanded form into number. So that is equal to, now we can write it as 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 5 means after 1 it 5 zeros, it is 10,000, 1 lakh plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4 means 10,000 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 means it is 1000 plus 3 multiplied by 10 square, it is 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to 1, that is 0 multiplied by 10, and plus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 0, that is 1. 2 multiplied by 1. So in number we will start from ones place. We will start from ones place, that is 2, then 0, then 100 place 3, then at 1000 place it is 5, then at 10,000 it is 0, and then at 1 lakh place it is 4. So answer is 405302. Next, sum number C, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 0. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4 plus here 10 raised to the power of 3 term is not there, means it is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2 plus also 10 raised to the power of 1 term is not there, that means it is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 and plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0. Simplification, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4 means it is 10,000 plus 0 multiplied by 10 cubed means it is 1000 plus 7 multiplied by 10 square it is 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 that is 10 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0 it is 1. So we'll start from 1's place, that is 5, then 10's place it is 0, then 100 place it is 7, 1000 place it is 0 and 10,000 place it is 3. So answer is 30705. That is 30,705. Sum number D, last sum of question number 2. 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1. So first of all we will write terms properly, that is 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 10 raised to the power of 4 term is not there, so we can write it as 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 10 raised to the power of 3 term is also not there, so first we will write it as 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3. Then 10 raised to the power of 2 term is there, that we will write 2 multiplied by 10 squared plus 10 raised to the power of 1 term is there, that is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 1, and 10 raised to the power of 0 term is not there, so we can write it as 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 0. So that is equal to simplification, 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 5 means it is 1 lakh plus here it is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4, that is 10,000 plus 0 multiplied by 10 cube means is 1000 plus 2 multiplied by 10 square means 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10, that is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 it is 10 and plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 it is 0 multiplied by 1. So answer is from 1's place we will start, it is 0, 10's place 3, 100 place 2, 1000 place 0, 10,000 0 and at 1 lakh place it is 9. So answer is 9 lakh 230.